In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a Magento extension efficiently and smoothly. Let's start by understanding that once you've completed the purchase process, you'll be sent an email with a link to download your extension. If for some reason you can't find the email, don't worry. Simply log into your account and head over to the My Downloadable Products section. Here, you can click on the download link to start downloading the extension. Now that you have your file, you'll notice that it's a zip file. Properly unzipping this file is crucial before installing it. This ensures that all necessary components are ready for the installation process without any hiccups. The next important step involves turning off Magento compilation. You can do this by navigating through your Magento interface to System, then Tools, and finally to Compilation. Alternatively, if you're comfortable using command lines, you can disable it with a command like pip-fshell compiler.php clear. This step ensures that no conflicts arise during the installation process. Once that's done, it's imperative to disable the cache through the administration panel of your site. Head over to System and then Cache Management. Here, select all caches, click on Disable, and then hit Submit. Disabling the cache is essential to prevent any old data from conflicting with the new extension files. At this point, you'll need to use an FTP client, such as FileZilla, WinSCP, or QtFTP, to upload the new files. You're going to copy all the folders from your downloaded zip package right into your Magento site root folder. Rest assured, this won't overwrite any existing files. It simply adds the necessary new files to your existing folder structure. With the files uploaded, log back into your Magento administration panel to refresh the cache. Do this by going back to System, then Cache Management. Once again, select all caches, choose the refresh option, and submit the changes. This refresh is crucial to ensuring that your Magento store recognizes the new files. Now let's confirm the installation. Navigate to System and then Configuration. If you can see a tab for your new extension, congratulations, your installation was successful. Just a quick tip, remember that not all extensions will appear in the same place, so be sure to check the user guide that accompanies your extension for specific instructions. However, if you encounter an access denied error when clicking on the new extension tab, simply log out of the admin panel and log back in. This usually resolves the issue. Finally, check everything on the front end of your site to ensure the extension is functioning properly and is compatible with your setup. If you run into any difficulties or if the extension doesn't seem to work correctly, you can contact our support team for help. They can assist with installation and troubleshooting, ensuring your site operates smoothly. By following these steps and seeking help when necessary, you'll successfully manage the extension installation and integration into your Magento site.